Hi friends, so I'm back, crafting with Molly here. So today I'm doing a Mother's Day present for my mom. I never really know what to get her. She just kind of always buys what she wants. And so I'm making a bag. I bought this off of Amazon, and it's really nice canvas tote. I can put a link down in the description down below, but it's made for sublimation and it has a zipper, and on the inside it has another little pocket here. I thought it was really nice, and it's pretty reasonable. It was under $10 for this one bag, and it's a nice big size, as you can see here, and there's a place to like connect a little key ring. So I'm gonna take you over to my canvas here on Cricut, and what I have here is the designs. I'm gonna print this up on my sublimation printer, and I'm gonna sublimate it on one side. My mom has 3 kids and a total of her 3 biological grandchildren. So this is my my project here. I'll zoom out of it just a little bit. So I got the 6 flowers with our names all down and lined up. I found these on Cricut, and I do have Cricut access, so I do pay $9.99 a month for it. For me, it's worth it with the amount of crafts I do, and then I go and look and I'm like, oh, that's a nice font. Oh, it's only available for Cricut access. So I do go ahead and I pay for it. It just makes it easier for me. But I have it all set up. I already did up their names. I already sized them up. This bag has from zipper down to the black area. So from the zipper down to the black area is 9.5 inches. So these are roughly a little less than 7.5 inches tall. So it gives a little bit of room there. And I'm going to go ahead and print these up. I do have it on a print and cut, but and I am going to flatten. You must flatten, otherwise they are going to print up like you saw there. So you just click one at a time. There we go. Now let's go ahead and resave that. Let's make it. There we go. Okay. Sorry about the little cut and break there. Husband came down and was talking to me. So as you can see, I'm gonna put as much of the screen up as I can into this video. So as you can see here, it all came out print and cut. Make sure you turn on your mirror. I gotta make sure my printer is all printing correctly and stuff like that, because nozzles do get clogged up. perfect. Much better. Much better. When I did the test earlier, all the magenta was gone. It looked like this. So, yeah, you got to make sure that you're, before you start a project, make sure your nozzles are clean. So let's send this to the printer. And I'm not going to cut this on my Cricut because it's just going to be one slice up. And I don't want to do that. I'm just going to cut them by hand. Hi guys. So on Cricut Design Space, I do already have my designs uploaded, and I changed the names. I just went into images and I just selected name stem flower, and it came up with a bunch of them, and I just kind of scrolled through to see what I liked. I chose these 6 and I replaced the name. You always then, if you're going to print and cut, like I am with the sublimation, you make sure that you click on all of it and you hit the print and cut up here. And then don't forget to flatten. If you don't flatten, they'll all print on different levels. And that's a mess you don't want to deal with. So then you just go up here to make. And then as you see here, it's on the screen, and my name is the right way and so is everyone else's. With sublimation, you want the mirror to be on. So you just go over here and toggle the mirror. You want to do that with all of them. And you hit continue. And you're going to hit send to printer and then next. And it'll ask you if you want to add the bleed. If I add the bleed, it does not turn out well. Like, it makes it really wide and bolded, and with wording and fine details like this, that's not a good mixture. And I'll show you how that turned out. Anyways, so then you just toggle that off and you hit print. I already printed mine, so I don't need to do that again. And then that's all you do for that part. So, as I said here, if you turn the bleed on, it doesn't turn out very well. It makes it really bolded and the fine details are lost. And this is what I mean. If you can tell here, you can't really read the names. And the fine details they're just not there. And if you take a look, this is what it looks like when you don't turn the bleed on. So this is bleed off, this is bleed on. I found that out the hard way. I got really mad at my printer one night. So, but yes, bleed off, bleed on. I always do off. So then I'm going to turn on my heat press, and I'm going to heat it up to 375, and then it'll be for 50 seconds. And this is my extra pressing board that I got with a hand press. And I just kind of put this on inside my project so it just turns out a little bit better. And I'm gonna, you always want it super flat, so I'm gonna flip up the pocket because I want it on that side that you put like a little charm or whatever on. So I'm just gonna put it on the inside. We're going to find the center. So it is 18 inches wide, so the center is 9 inches. Just kind of make a little line here. And then I'm going to find the center of the black and between the black and the zipper part, which it is 10 inches, so we want it at 5, which surprisingly was right where I put the mark. And then you get your heat resistant tape out and your designs, and you just put them where you want your designs at. Now I will probably press this in 2 settings. It's going to be on that side, and that's because my mat is only so wide. So you just line up your stuff and you secure it down. I'm going to do that and I'll come right back. Okay, I'm back now, and as you can see here, I have taped my designs to my substrate. And my press is up to 10. So we're going to go ahead and give this a press. Alright, I got it on the press, and as you can see, I'm going to put a piece of parchment paper on top. It just helps to prevent any bleed through from getting onto the heat surface. I'm going to just pull that down and start the timer. So that's going to go on. They say split it between 356 and 392 for 40 to 60 seconds. I just kind of split the difference and did 375 for 50 seconds. We'll see how this turns out. Oh. That turned out beautiful, as you can see here. Oh, my mom is going to be so happy with this. Okay, I am going to go ahead and put the other 3 names on and press that, and I'll be back when that's done. Now let's press this side. And that's going to press for 50 seconds also. I'm going to put my tape away. All right. Oh, gorgeous. This turned out so wonderful. Ugh. My mom will be so happy with this. And I haven't decided if I was going to put a design on the back or not. But oh my gosh, guys, this turned out so great. So if you want to know the fonts and the designs and stuff like that, I'll have it linked down below. Also, if you want to know where I got this bag, I did get it on Amazon. It was fairly cheap. I think it $8 for the one bag. And I'll also have that link down below. I think you can buy them in bulk too. But this bag also has an interior little pocket here. So I'm hoping she's going to enjoy this. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Have a good day. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for coming and joining me. If you want to see more craft-like items, go ahead and subscribe. Click like, and go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you think, and yeah, if you want more, more's coming. Hit subscribe.